What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm just going to do a little startup and a few little revs. There's not much because it's stock exhaust, but you can hear that blow off valve. Push button start too, that's pretty nice. Let it warm up just a little here. It's a little cold. It does have a pretty good tune on it. It's the Rebel Devil Customs. I haven't really heard of them, but I looked them up and they seem pretty decent, so. And I've had no issues with it. Roll down these windows here. I don't know if the wind's gonna be too much or not.